Hello and welcome to Community Roundup.
One of the highlights of the recently concluded 2026 American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin or AAPI convention in Tampa, Florida, was the presentation of the prestigious AAPI Humanitarian Award to Mrs. Nita Mukesh Ambani, founder and chairperson of the Reliance Foundation, in recognition of her decades of humanitarian leadership and transformative work in healthcare, education, rural development, women's empowerment, sports, arts, culture, disaster relief, and community service. The award was presented by Convention Chairman Dr. Sagar Govinkar, AAPI President Dr. Amit Chakrabarti, and Convention Convener Dr. Raghu Chavadi, who praised Mrs. Ambani's extraordinary commitment to improving the lives of millions through the Reliance Foundation's wide-ranging social initiatives. Held at the J.W. Marriott and Tampa Marriott Water Street, AAPICon 2026 was far more than a medical convention. It brought together science, leadership, education, spirituality, philanthropy, and cultural celebration, highlighting the growing influence of Indian American physicians in shaping healthcare both in the United States and around the world. Adding to the celebration, Tampa Mayor Jane Castor presented Mrs. Ambani with the key to the city of Tampa, one of the city's highest civic honors, recognizing her global humanitarian contributions and her efforts to improve lives through compassion, service, and innovation. Accepting the honor, Mrs. Nita Ambani congratulated the thousands of Indian American physicians who continue to serve communities across the United States while strengthening the bond between India and America. In her keynote address, Mrs. Ambani emphasized that the partnership between India and the United States has always been strengthened by people, especially physicians, innovators, researchers, and healthcare professionals who dedicate their lives to serving others.
I don't remember every medical term that was spoken around me, but I remember the feeling, the reassurance of the receptionist with whom I left Mukesh's details, as there was no mobile phone at that time. The kindness of the nurses who made me feel I wasn't alone. The calmness of my doctor, Dr. Ziggy, who brought my precious twins, Isha and Akash, into this world. That morning, America became a part of my family forever. I have come to US many times since then, but that day will always remain special. And today is special too, for different reasons. But once again, exceptional doctors like you are at the heart of both. Dr. Amit, Dr. Bobby, Dr. Sagar, esteemed members of the American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar. Jai Shri Krishna. I bring with you the warm greetings and good wishes of 1.4 billion Indians. सभी भारतवासियों की तरफ से आज मैं यहाँ आप सबको सादर प्रणाम करती हूँ। At the very outset, my heartfelt thanks to AAPI for this extraordinary honor. I accept AAPI Humanitarian Award with humility and deep gratitude. Humanitarian work is never achieved by one person alone. Behind that person is a dedicated and sincere team. Service is always carried by many hands. Hands that heal, hands that teach, hands that comfort, hands that arrive before dawn and leave long after the world has gone to sleep. Hands that don't count hours of work but measure the difference they can make to another life. So today, I receive this honor on behalf of the entire Reliance Foundation family. At Reliance Foundation, our guiding philosophy is very simple. We care. We care about our people. We care about India. We care about our planet. Over the last 16 years, Reliance Foundation has touched the lives of 100 million Indians. And amongst them, 29 million are children. We are present across every state of India and nearly 100,000 villages, almost 1 in every 6 villages of our country. This makes Reliance Foundation the largest corporate foundation in India. And yet, numbers don't move me as much as people and their stories do. A woman who now earns and signs her own check. An artisan whose dying craft finds respect, dignity, and a new marketplace. A child who enters an Anganwadi and discovers the joy of learning. A young boy scouted from a small village who one day goes on to represent our great country, India.
Well, it's time for a short break. Stay tuned.